What's up YouTube, it's YG Openings today, here with another video, and today I got a random pack opening. I just went to Walmart and got a bunch of packs, so I got 3 Return of the Duelists, 4 Star Pack 2014s, 1 Star Pack 2013, 1 Photon Shockwave, 1 Legacy of the Valiant, 1 Primal Origin, 1 Order of Chaos, 1 Galactic Overlord, and 1 Shadow Specters. Like I said, I just picked these up at Walmart, but let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start with the Return of the Duelist packs. Got 3 of a kind, Yugioh Accelerator, Little Trooper, Chronomaly Golden Jet, Medolce T-Break for a rare, Exisol, Chronomaly Mayan Machine, Overlay Region, and Block Golem. I'm probably not going to read the rest of these cards, just kind of speed it up a little bit, and I'll read off the rares and the holos if we get any, but y'all can easily see what cards are in which pack. Rare Pahunder. I always like the Medolce cards. The last pack of Return of the Duelist. Rare Spellbook of Wisdom. You get no holos in those. Let's move on to the Star Pack 2014. Never opened any of the Star Packs. Got a Starfoil Photon Strike Bouncer. Starfoil Hammer Shark. And got Starfoil Malefic Truth Dragon. Another Hammer Shark, it's common. And last pack for 2014, got a Go Giant as a Starfoil. And for Star Pack 2013, got Starfoil Goblinberg. Let's go on to Photon Shockwave. Rare Xyz Territory, and a super rare Light Serpent. First holo out of the packs. Go on to Legacy of the Valiant. Leo, the Keeper of the Sacred Tree, and another super, which is Bujingi Hair. Let's go to Primal Origin. Rare Beautiful Princess. No foils in that. Order of Chaos. I was just watching a box opening of this set today, and this guy pulled an Ultimate Rare and a Ghost Rare of the same card. I think it was a Utopia Rare, but that was pretty sick, I thought. Got a rare Gaga Bolt. Let's go with Galactic Overlord. Rare Ancient Dragon. And for our last pack, we got Shadow Specters. See if we can get a holo. rare Artama, and an ultra rare Genomix Fighter. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, that's the end of this opening. It was kind of short and sweet, but it was my second random pack opening for the channel. So if you want to go see the last one, just subscribe and go look at it. Well, that's it. Don't forget to like and comment also. Catch y'all later.